Does your left hand feel like it's not really working properly and that it needs some attention? Today, let's break apart the beautiful Skye Boat Song to look at these broken chords and to get your left hand moving around as well. Well, hi everyone, my name is Kylie and I love to inspire you with easy tips and tricks to learn the love of music here at our music studios. Please subscribe if you're new. I'd love you to join me for easy piano tutorials, and a thumbs up is the best compliment you can give. Now let's get into it and let's break apart these first 4 chords of the Skye Boat Song. Now we start on a G pattern and we skip up a broken chord from G in both hands, and we'll play that once going up the pattern. After the G pattern, then we move down to an E minor pattern. So this is the same root position. We're just going to skip up from the E bass notes. And then we'll move down to the A minor pattern. Once again, A, skip up. And then we'll go to a D pattern. D, skip up. Look out for the black F sharp key in the middle of our hand here. Let's have a run of that first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we go back to our G pattern. Then it changes here and we move down to a C pattern. C, skip up, all white keys again. Then we go to a D suspended 4th pattern. So that means that we're going to leave out the 3rd black key middle note, and we'll go to D, G and A's here, up that pattern. And then we'll finish the progression doing a D pattern again, going back to the 3rd with the middle black key finger again. Let's play a run of that second part now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll come back to that whole first section again before our ending. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we end the section going from G pattern to E minor pattern, back to the G pattern. Section then goes to some gloomy minor chords. Let's start down on a low E minor chord. So the 6th little notes but through 2 times. And then we'll go to an A pattern and do the 6 little notes there through 2 times. And then we do 4 E minors. And let's play that through. The next part of that midsection, we'll float up to E minor, up above the middle of the piano, and let's do that 2 times. And then A minor 2 times. And then back to E minor 3 times. Then we'll finish on a little D chord again with that middle finger going to the black sharp key, and we'll sort of slow down a little bit on the D pattern just to wind it back into a repeat of that whole first section again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. conclude the Skye Boat Song, let's just finish with a little ripple on a G pattern. We'll ripple up the 6 notes, ripple all together with the right hand. Now, tips and tricks for that left hand. If it's not behaving for you, then what we can do is put some rhythms onto our 6 little notes to help us practice some control. So let's start by doing a pizza, pizza, pizza up the notes as we go. And then we can flip that around to try then popcorn, 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 popcorn. Only 3. Popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. Then when we go back to just playing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all lovely and even, our left hand, especially if that's our weaker hand, then it can help us to have some beautiful control through there. Well, let's put all of that together now, all of the piano patterns. I might also throw a bit of violin over the top just for our final playthrough for a bit of fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, thanks for joining me today. If you'd like some other broken chord patterns, then I'll link to those below. And happy music making. Bye.